maybe you will not be able to hear his voice again. But please bear with us. And I know God is going to bless you at the end of this session. You know, when the rapture happens, there will be no church, because the rapture marks the end of the church age. Finished. The church will end. There will be no church after the rapture. There will only be the tribulation saints. Those one who's going to be, even to worship God in the tribulation, you have to be slow. So that's what the Lord is asking us. Enter through the doors of the door of rapture. Let's enter through the doors of rapture, because in the tribulation, in the great tribulation, there will not be, the church will not be protected, because the church will not be wow. There will only be the tribulation saint. And the ordinances to worship God in the time of tribulation, you have to be beheaded. If you want to worship Jesus in the time of tribulation, you will have to be beheaded. So this is the time when we can worship in peace, when we can worship again. Please, this is the time to worship God. This is the time to come back to Him. This is the time to declare your faith openly, because in the time of tribulation, it is not going to be easy to say, oh, me, I'm a Christian. Oh, I'm going to evangelize. No. But that time, there are two witnesses, Moses and Elijah. They're going to be doing some work. That's where that question you asked me, how the Bible says these are the ones that came from, from the great tribulation. Those ones will come from the revival that will take place from the time of the tribulation and the great tribulation. There will be the revival as well. That's why God is so amazing, that is so good as well. Even the time of the tribulation, He will remember the people.
Oh my gosh.
That's where the restoration of Israel, because remember, the grace is on the Gentiles, on us, because we believe, we heard. But for them, they saw the salvation, but they didn't receive the salvation. So the grace came from them and came to the Gentiles. Now, the grace has to go back to them. When we read in Hebrew, the grace has to go back to them.